There are like 8 levels of being a forex trader here in Kenya, and most people actually stuck at level 3 and they actually don't even know it. By the end of this video, you actually know exactly where you are and everything that you just need in order to move to the next level. All right, this video is actually going to describe these levels so well that actually you're going to feel uncomfortable, but anyway, it's going to help you at the end of this video, right? Now let's start with level 1. This is actually known as the discovery level, right? So the discovery level looks like this. You are on WhatsApp, maybe a family group, maybe a friend sends you a message. You've seen so many people posting on screenshot on status or chat actually saying their profit, I made 30,000, I made 50,000 in a week, and this is actually you'll start running crazy, and then they say once that change everything. You can actually do this too, and you just need to start. That is where everything changes, but you don't fully believe it, because also I did it, but you don't fully believe it either. You can actually, you start watching YouTube videos at night, you find actually channels, maybe one, and you start actually learning what's line like low size, what forex is, what leverage is, what pips is. You spend a lot of time actually learning about these things. At level 1, everything actually is very possible. You haven't lost anything, you actually haven't risked anything yet. This is where you're just watching videos, dreaming and imagining what your life look like when you finally crack the code. Now on the level 2, this is actually where you make your first deposit. The first deposit, actually you made, decision, you're now going to try this. You open a broker account, maybe you open an HFM account or any broker, maybe with a relocated broker like HFM, and you go to the M-Pesa, you deposit, let's say 5,000, because you're fearing to get scammed, and then on your hands are actually like shaking, not because you're scared exactly, but because this feel real now. This is your hand and you're trusting yourself to create, right? Your platform opens, you see the chart moving up and down, and you place your first trade, and for a moment you are up 200 profit, 500 bob. You feel like genius. You screenshot it and you almost send it to that WhatsApp group. Okay, then the market moves the other way. You close the trends, small loss, no problem, you get it back tomorrow. At level 2, you're actually a trader officially, and that's a feeling nobody can actually take it from you. That is what you need to know. Level 3 is crazy, because that is where so many people are actually, and they just give up. And this one actually, you need to pay attention to this, because this is where most people quit, and actually that's the level actually determines whether you ever make it in trading. All right, your account is gone, not reduced, gone, but it actually took 3 days, maybe it took 2 weeks. But one morning you open the platform and there's almost nothing that's left. You stay at the screen, you don't tell anyone, not your family, not your partner, you just sit with it. You feel actually embarrassed sometimes, you feel stupid, you feel like thinking maybe these people are right, maybe forex is a scam, maybe this was never real. Maybe you were just another person who just got played. That is a thought that normally crosses your mind sometimes. But here is what you actually need to understand at level 3. Every serious trader alive has actually been here. Every single one. The ones who are profitable today. They actually blew account. They lost money. Some of them actually lost more than new. When I remember so well, I actually lost, like, is that time I usually lost everything, thinking that, oh, these are scams. But if you can actually go past that level, then at least you are heading somewhere. I know most of people are in that level. Now, the question at level 3 is not, did you lose money? The question is, what do you actually do next? All right. Now, you are at level 3 right now. Don't quit. Make sure that you stay with me, right? Level 5. Before we continue now, if you want actually to start this journey right away with a regulated broker and actually free classes, included. I'll leave my link in the description. Make sure that you register for 100% bonus on your deposit, and you actually get an access class that will take you level 1 to level 5 much faster than figuring it out alone. The link is there. Use it when you are ready. Now let's continue. Level 5 is very critical as well. That is, I think, level 4. Then green, you actually didn't quit. That means you are actually already different from most of the traders. Level 4 is actually the longest level. This is where you are now actually learning. You are watching videos at 11 p.m. after work. You are learning smart money concept. You are learning ICT, many strategies out there, learning how to actually read price actions, how to identify liquidity zones, how to place a stop loss and stick to it. You are actually not making big steps yet. You are actually not making big money yet. Some weeks you are actually profitable, some you are not, but you are actually improving and you can actually feel it. The losses are smaller, the wins are now more, and you are consistent. So you actually start understanding why trends work, not just hoping they work. At level 4, trading is actually exciting. Is not exciting anymore. It's work, serious, displayed, and glamorous work, and that's exactly how you know finally it is right. Now level 5 is something else. That is called now the consistency part. The first month where you end up actually profitable, not by luck but by design, is actually one of the best feeling in the entire journey. It won't actually be massive amount. Maybe you're going to make 8,000, 15k, 20k when you actually go and check everything that you'll be doing through the entire month. And maybe, but it was actually very real because you just worked for it. You hand it through discipline and not gambling that so many people are doing, or maybe the one that you're just doing previously. At level 5, your psychology has actually shifted. You stop revenge trending. You stop trying to recover losses in one trade. You actually follow your risk management, maybe 1 to 3% per trend, maybe 2%, and you just let the market come to you. That means you just start avoiding silly mistakes, stupid, and those silly mistakes that normally beginners do. People now around you, noticing something is different. You are now calmer. You stop checking your phone every 5 minutes. You have a plan, and then you just trust it. Level 5 is where real journey begins. Level 6 is the fund-end trader. You actually learn about firms, companies that gives you capital to rent if you can actually pass the evaluation. Because now at this level, that is when you realize that you actually need even more money, like you need bigger capital. You take the challenge, you follow the rules, you manage drawdowns, and then one day you pass the challenge. Now you are actually trading maybe 1 million Kenya shillings, 5 million in capital. That is not your money, but your skills is real. And when you hit your target, you get paid a percentage, real income, consistent income. At level 6, Forex is no longer a signed thing. It's actually now a profession that you are really doing in this level. Now, this is the most interesting thing, the level 7. Teaching others. People is actually in their circle start calling you, wait, this Forex thing, right? Forex trader, those kind of ones. They start calling you now a trader. Your cousins, your neighbors, your old classmates, from university, they start actually calling you a trader. You actually, becoming a celeb because maybe Forex imeanza kujipa kidogo, you buy these things and I trained and I managed to buy these things courtesy of Forex. And then you realize something. Teaching actually makes you better trader because you can't actually teach what you don't understand. Explaining your strategy out loud reviews gap you didn't know that you earned. At level 7, you are actually guided. You are the person someone else is watching on YouTube to find. Level 8 is the apex. Nobody is watching. No screenshot to post, no challenge to pass, just you and the market. At level 8, trading is quiet. It's not actually exciting. It's not stressful. It's professional. You have rules, you follow them, you take your result, you manage your capital with the same discipline as a surgeon manages an operation. You don't trade to prove something. You trade because you understand the market and you know how to extract value from it consistently. This is what look like when you actually make it. So, which level are you right now? make sure that you drop it in the comment section, level 1 through the level 8. And actually, I'm ready to just hear from you. Maybe if you just need my help, I can just help you out. And if you are at level 3 right now, if you are just blew an account and you are wondering if this is worth it, let me just tell you honestly, it is worth it, but only if you go back and actually learn, not guess, not to copy signals. Make sure that you learn. If you want to start learning right away, my link is in the description. Register to the My Trusted Broker and get free Forex classes and 100% bonus when you make a deposit. Everything that you actually need to start properly is right here in this video. If this video helped you, make sure that you share it so someone who is in the same journey with you, and subscribe to the Aurex family. I'll see you in the next video.